Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to change location in YouTube Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your location in YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you'll land over here where you'll be required to tap on the settings option over here just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings and tap on the privacy and data option available for us just above the recommendations, and again tap on the manage account privacy button over here. And when this load, guys, you can see the general option available for us, which is the second one. Tap on the general option, the second one, and over here you can see the location option available for us. Tap on the location, and after that you can see many of the locations available for us on the YouTube Music app. Now in order to choose your location, tap on the location which you want to change on your YouTube Music app, and then, guys, momentarily your location will be changed on the YouTube Music app. And with that being said, guys, this is how to change location on the YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.